everyone, welcome back to Unbox Unveil. Today we have an exciting unboxing for you. We're going to check out the Atomberg Efficio Alpha 1200mm BLDC Ceiling Fan. This fan is known for its energy efficiency and sleek design, so let's dive right in.
Here's the box. As you can see, it's well packaged and features the Atomberg branding. The specifications and key features are mentioned right here, including the BLDC motor, which is known for its efficiency and silent operation. Let's check the box content. First, we have the mounting rod. Then we have the setup guide cum warranty card. Then the two canopies. And here's the remote control. It's pretty straightforward with buttons for speed control, timer, and sleep mode. Then we have the remote and the other accessories along with two AAA batteries. Next we have the motor unit. It's quite compact and lightweight, which is great. Then we have the blades, which are nicely packed to prevent any damage. Here's everything that comes in the box. Now let's take a closer look at each component. This is the heart of the fan, the BLDC motor. It's designed to be energy efficient, consuming only 28 watts even at the highest speed. It's also very quiet, which is a big plus. The blades are made of high-quality aluminum, which ensures durability and good air delivery. The 1200mm size is ideal for medium to large rooms. Overall, the build quality seems excellent and I can't wait to see how it performs. Next, we'll be installing it and giving you a demo, so stay tuned. First, put these two wires between this mounting rod. You won't get these wires in the box, you have to arrange it by yourself separately. Then, connect these wires with fan's electric point with a screwdriver. Now let's secure this mounting rod with fan's body. For this you need a set of screw, lock nut, and spring washer. They will be inside this packet with the shackle. Let's put the fan shackle aside. Now disassemble all the part from it. Insert the screw like this between this hole and secure it with the other parts from the other side. You'll need a plier in this part. Now install the shackle like this. Now install the shackle like this. And here's the remote control. It's pretty straightforward with buttons for speed control, timer, and sleep mode. Press the red color power button to start the fan, but first disable your old fan regulator. Now set your desired fan speed from this dial. You get 6 speed control including a boost mode. You'll see the speed number on the front of fan via LEDs. Now I'm going to hit the speed buttons one by one to give you a clear look to understand more of it. In this timer mode, you get to select a time when your fan automatically turns off. You can see timer number and hour via LEDs as well. You can turn all LEDs on or off as a night light from this button. This is an energy-saving mode button, where the fan speed drops the speed every 1 hour from its existing speed and continues to run at the lowest speed. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more unboxing and review videos. See you next time.